Hello and welcome back to Light of My Heart Soapery. Today we're going to be making Dizzy Beads. I think is the name I'm going to go with. So this soap, I'm being pretty adventurous. There's a ton of things I'm adding. Never added any of this stuff before in my soaps. So I already have my oils and my kaolin clay. Here I have my fragrance oil, which is oatmeal, milk, and honey. I have some goat milk mixed here. Some oatmeal. This is Jack Daniel Tennessee Honey. So this is why my bees are a little dizzy. And last is my honey over here. So I made a little list so I don't forget to add anything. So hopefully this turns out well. And if not, at least it should turn to soap. So always use that. So we're going to mix up the oils and the kaolin clay first. Alright. Next, we're going to add our lye water. Okay. And I have some lye lint, and some of my soap looks like it didn't completely dissolve. Definitely need that strainer today. And we're going to mix this up light trace because of all the additives we're going to be adding. I think I'm going to add oatmeal. Honey. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. These are my embeds, which is just melt and pour, and I kind of crumbed it all up and put it on the top. It's going to be my honey. All right, so I think we're going to use two colors here, three colors, I should say. There, there. All right, that's good. So we're going to add our colorants here. This is going to be my honey. This is going to be oatmeal, so not as much gold. And titanium dioxide mixture here. So you guys can see it. Splash over there. May need to add some more. I think I'm going to whisk these instead. So I don't need to be sitting the trace any. A little more gold since this. So all these colors are going to be very much, going to be pretty close to each other. So just want to, like a little shades off. And the honey. All right, now I'm going to add my fragrance. So a little here, here, here. honey. All right. Now, gonna add our Jack Daniel honey. All right. Quickly, get it all stirred in there. Really good. Alright, now apparently I love the in the pot swirl, even though I have yet to perfect my design. I'm going to do it in the pot swirl again. Get our mold ready as well. Alright. Okay, so pour on the pie. Waste a little bit, but not much. It's good. Right. And gold on this side. Alright, so my soap is thickened up. It's been about 20-30 minutes, so somewhat. It's not as thick as I would like it to be. Sorry guys, I kind of forgot to hit the record button. I'm already kind of mounded it up here, so I'm going to just add my little melting pour-ish sprinkles. Okay. Alrighty. So this is the finished soap. We'll probably be back, and I would say maybe 72 hours or so, because I really want to make sure this really hardens up. Kind of give you guys a turn it this way. See better. Just Alright guys, we're going to now unmold this soap. This soap has been in the mold for 13 days. However, it's still a bit soft. So you'll see me kind of struggling with it a bit here. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make my oatmeal milk and honey Dizzy Bee soap. If you did like it, please hit the like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I make some new videos. Thank you for watching.